Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to download livecode and install it. So let's go to livecode.org. Then click on download livecode. Make sure not to choose get the free version of livecode indie because that's not free after a while, of course, after the free trial expires. We want to get livecode community edition. So click on download livecode and fill in your details here. First name, email address, and the amount of your donation. Download now. Okay, and now it comes up saying you've got mail. And so let's go into our email inbox. And we've got it right here, activate account. So to finalize your livecode community account, you click on the link and activation link, and you set your username and password. Well, email address, I should say. And activate the account. The login screen for livecode pops up. So let's log in. And now we can go in and download the version of livecode community that you want. So whether it's Mac, Windows, right, or Linux. The latest version, please use the latest version, which currently is 9.6.3, and download. Once you've downloaded the executable file or the .dmg, go to your downloads folder, double click on the file, and follow the installation instructions. Add and follow those installation instructions. And that's it. So now when you go into your applications, you should see livecode. So optionally, you can create an account. So you can do this, or if you want, you can skip this step. I'm going to skip this step because I've already done it on another account. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.